To safely remove and replace a blade on your lawnmower, please follow this procedure. Remove the spark plug cap. Tilt the mower backwards and wedge safely in place. Block off the blade to prevent rotation. Use a breaker bar and correctly sized socket. Remove the retaining nuts and pull the blade free. Fit spacer plate on relevant machines. Refit new blade to crankshaft. Finger tighten nuts before tightening fully with a torque wrench, ensuring the new blade is blocked in place. Apply appropriate torque according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Remove brace. Refit spark plug cap.